This video demonstrates how to set up client-side mode signature in Sigsync. Implementing client-side mode signatures in Sigsync entails the essential deployment of the Outlook add-in. Benefits of client-side mode signature: automatically add signature to email body while composing an email. Preview the signatures before sending the email. Select and add signature from the panel as per your choice. Add signatures to encrypted and digitally signed messages. Add signatures to shared mailboxes and Office 365 group. Step 1. Register Office 365 tenant. Step 2. Create signature template. Step 3. Set signature rules. Step 4. Deploy Sigsync Signatures Outlook add-in. As a first step, you must register your Office 365 tenant in Sigsync to centrally manage email signatures. Log in to Sigsync using Office 365 account. Select the Manage Signature tab from Sigsync dashboard. Select the Register and Manage Tenants tab. Click the Click Here button and follow the wizard to proceed with the tenant registration. Refer Register Office 365 Tenant video for more details and how to register your Office 365 tenant. In the second step, let's see how to create signature templates in Sigsync. Select the Signature Gallery tab from the Sigsync dashboard. Sigsync provides hundreds of professional templates that are suitable for all your business requirements. Let's pick a template from the template gallery. Now, you can use the same template or modify as per your requirement using the signature component. Before that, refer to the Create, Design Email Signature Template video for more details on how to create an email signature in Sigsync. In the third step, let's see how to set signature rules in Sigsync. Click the Signature Rules tab. By default, Sigsync will create a rule named Default Rule with most common settings. You can keep the default rule or create a new rule and assign the required signature template. Refer to the Set Email Signature Rules video for more details on how to set email signature rules in Sigsync. In the fourth step, let's see how to deploy Sigsync Signature Outlook add-in. For the client-side mode signature, you need to deploy the Sigsync Signatures Outlook add-in from your Office 365 Admin Center. You can deploy it for an individual user, a group of users, or the entire organization. Refer to the Sigsync Signature Outlook add-in deployment video for more details. Microsoft may take between 6 to 24 hours or more to propagate the add-in deployment in Outlook. Once it's reflected, the signature will be automatically added to your email body while composing a message. Alternatively, you can manually open the add-in pane, select the desired signature, and click Add this signature. That's it. Start sending emails from Outlook and your email will be attached with the signature. Try Sigsync for free today.